Today, we'll be diving into some amazing Amazon household gadgets that can make your daily life a whole lot easier. Whether you're looking to improve your home organization, enhance your self-care routine, or just add some convenience to your everyday tasks, I've got you covered. And as always, all the links are in the description below. Let's jump in! Our first household gadget is this ice cream maker, which is a versatile kitchen appliance that makes creating frozen treats simple and fun. With 7 one-touch programs, it can effortlessly prepare gelato, milkshakes, sorbets, smoothie bowls, and more. Its compact design is perfect for any kitchen, and the included 2 pint-sized containers with lids make storing your creations easy. Whether for kids or adults, this ice cream maker brings endless possibilities for delicious, customizable desserts. This folding table is a durable and functional addition to any outdoor kitchen setup. Featuring a stainless steel work surface, it provides ample space for food prep and is ideal as a stand for your pizza oven. Its compact folding design ensures easy portability and storage, making it perfect for both backyard use and on-the-go outdoor cooking. With dimensions of about 22 inches by 27 inches by 35 inches, this table combines convenience and stability for all your outdoor cooking needs. This 12-piece set of silicone magnetic cable ties offers a smart and reusable solution for organizing cords and cables. Designed with durable magnets and elastic material, these ties can be easily adjusted to bundle cables of various sizes using the 11 buckle holes. Perfect for use at home or in the office, they help keep cords tidy and prevent tangling. Whether managing charging cables, office wires, or other cords, these cable ties combine functionality and convenience for a clutter-free space. This rechargeable desk fan offers a sleek, bladeless design for safe and quiet cooling. This compact 11.8-inch fan features touch controls and a rechargeable battery, making it convenient for use in offices, bedrooms, or on the go. Its USB compatibility ensures easy charging, while the decorative LED lights in 5 colors add a stylish touch to any space. Combining functionality and modern design, this personal fan delivers comfort with minimal noise. This mushroom foldable kitchen funnel is a compact and practical tool for liquid transfers. Featuring a wide mouth, it's ideal for filling jars and bottles with ease. Made from 100% food-safe, BPA-free silicone, this funnel ensures safety and durability. Its foldable design allows for convenient storage, and it's dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. Perfect for any kitchen, this funnel combines functionality with a fun and whimsical design. Next up, this bath and shower safety mat combines functionality and comfort with its extra-large 40 by 16-inch size and non-slip surface. Designed with strong suction cups, it stays securely in place to enhance safety during showers or baths. Drain holes ensure quick water runoff, preventing mold and mildew buildup, while the machine washable material makes cleaning effortless. This mat adds a touch of style to any bathroom, while providing a safe and reliable solution. The dual food dispenser is a versatile storage solution designed to keep your dry foods fresh and easily accessible. Ideal for items like cereal, candy, nuts, rice, and granola. It dispenses precise 1-ounce portions with each twist, reducing mess and waste. Its sleek design not only saves counter space, but also provides a hygienic way to store and serve food. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or snack stations, this dispenser adds convenience and freshness to your daily routine. This fabric shaver is a convenient and portable solution for reviving your clothes and furniture. With its electric operation and USB rechargeable design, it offers cordless use for hassle-free defuzzing. Perfect for removing lint, pilling, and fabric pills, it works efficiently on sweaters, upholstery, and other fabrics. Compact and easy to use, this fabric shaver keeps your garments and furniture looking fresh and new with minimal effort. Next up, this Easy Open Pop Top can opener is a practical tool designed to make opening cans effortless for everyone. Its ergonomic design is particularly helpful for seniors, individuals with arthritis, or those with limited hand strength. Ideal for soda, food, and pet cans, this opener ensures ease of use without straining your hands. Compact and user-friendly, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone who values convenience and accessibility in daily tasks. This flat mop and collapsible bucket kit offers a practical solution for efficient floor cleaning. The foldable bucket is equipped with wheels, making it easy to move while mopping, and its compact design ensures convenient storage. The set includes 2 washable and reusable microfiber pads, providing effective cleaning on a variety of surfaces. Perfect for home or office use, this mop and bucket system combines functionality and convenience for a seamless cleaning experience. Next up, we have a leg air massager, which is designed to promote circulation and provide relaxation for your feet and calves. Featuring 2 massage modes and 3 intensity levels, it allows you to customize your experience using the convenient handheld controller. The included extensions ensure a comfortable fit for various leg sizes, making it versatile for all users. FSA and HSA eligible, this massager is a practical choice for those seeking relief from muscle fatigue or improved circulation at home. This push-up board fitness system is a versatile and portable tool for strength training at home or on the go. This foldable 20-in-1 board features multiple positions and angles to target different muscle groups, enhancing your push-up routine. Its ergonomic push-up handles provide stability and reduce strain on the wrists, making it suitable for both men and women. Designed for convenience and durability, it is ideal for professional-level workouts anywhere. This shoe organizer storage box is a practical and stylish solution for organizing your footwear collection. This portable, foldable shoe rack features 8 layers with 16 grids, providing ample space for sneakers, heels, and more. The magnetic clear doors allow easy access while keeping your shoes dust-free and neatly displayed. Designed for sturdiness and easy assembly, it's perfect for closets, entryways, or bedrooms, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal to your storage needs. Next, we have the charcuterie cheese board and platter set, which is crafted from high-quality acacia wood, offering a durable and stylish surface for serving a variety of cheeses, meats, and appetizers. This US patented 13-inch board comes with 4 stainless steel knives and 4 small bowls, providing all the essentials for an elegant, entertaining experience. Perfect for gatherings or casual get-togethers, this versatile set ensures your food is presented beautifully and efficiently, adding a touch of sophistication to any occasion. This electric wine dispenser offers a sophisticated way to serve and aerate wine with ease. Featuring a one-touch operation, it delivers precise pouring with adjustable dispensing from 1 to 999 milliliters. The built-in automatic aeration enhances the flavor and aroma of your wine, while the self-cleaning function ensures effortless maintenance. USB rechargeable and equipped with a power bank, this dispenser is both portable and practical, fitting most wine bottles for a seamless and elegant serving experience. This rechargeable battery nightlight set combines functionality and convenience, perfect for enhancing visibility in your home. Equipped with motion and dusk-to-dawn sensors, these LED lights automatically illuminate when movement is detected in low-light conditions. The warm white glow provides a comfortable ambiance, while the magnetic stick-on design allows easy placement on walls, stairs, closets, or cabinets. Rechargeable and energy efficient, this 3-pack offers a versatile lighting solution for any space. The All-Star Innovation Spice Spinner is a 2-tiered organizer designed to keep your spices neat and easily accessible. Featuring dual spin turntables, it allows you to quickly find and reach what you need without hassle. Its compact design saves space in your pantry or cabinet, making it perfect for organizing a wide variety of spice jars. Functional and efficient, this spinner is a great addition to any kitchen for maintaining order and convenience. This high-speed hand dryer is a versatile solution for both home and commercial bathrooms. Designed with an air filter and energy saver mode, it ensures efficient and hygienic drying while minimizing power consumption. Features like speed and volume control, along with touchless operation, enhance user convenience and reduce noise. With options for wall mounting or using the included stand, this UL-certified dryer offers flexibility and reliable performance for any setting. This bed vacuum cleaner is a powerful and efficient tool for deep cleaning mattresses and upholstery. Equipped with a dust sensor, UV light, and ultrasonic technology, it effectively sanitizes and removes dirt, dust mites, and allergens. The 13 kilopascal suction power and 500-watt motor provides strong, thorough cleaning, while the high heating feature helps to eliminate bacteria. With a double-cup handheld design, this vacuum is easy to maneuver and perfect for maintaining a clean and healthy sleeping environment. Moving on, this rechargeable cordless table lamp offers portability and versatility with its sleek metal design and built-in 6,000 mAh battery. Perfect for restaurants, outdoor settings, or home use, it features LED lighting with 3 adjustable brightness levels to suit any ambiance. USB rechargeable and compact, this lamp combines functionality and style, making it a practical lighting solution for any space. At next, we have a high-pressure rain shower head combo, which offers a luxurious shower experience with its wide rain shower head and handheld spray. Designed with adjustable settings, it allows you to switch between the 2 shower heads for a customizable water flow. The anti-clog nozzles ensure consistent water pressure, while the included extension arm makes it easy to adjust the height for a more comfortable shower. Perfect for those seeking a high-performance and versatile shower system. This portable LED motion sensor light is a versatile lighting solution for both indoor and outdoor use. Offering 148 lumens of brightness with a 13-foot detectable range, it provides ample illumination where needed. The flexible tripod base ensures easy positioning, while the magnetic option adds further convenience for mounting on metal surfaces. Ideal for areas like garages, patios, or closets, this motion sensor light offers a reliable and efficient lighting experience wherever you need it most. Next, we have an electric kitchen composter, which is an efficient solution for turning food waste and scraps into nutrient-rich dry compost for plants. With a 2.5-liter capacity, this compact composter is perfect for households looking to reduce waste while nurturing their garden. Featuring the Sharkston Tri-Blade technology, it ensures quick and effective processing, converting organic waste into compost without odors. This user-friendly, eco-friendly appliance provides an easy way to create fertilizer at home. Another revolving spice rack organizer here. This is a sleek and efficient solution for organizing your spices and seasonings. Featuring a rotating design, this countertop tower allows easy access to 12 glass jars, making it simple to find your desired spice while cooking. Made from durable stainless steel, it's both stylish and practical for any kitchen. The jars are refillable, allowing you to keep your spices fresh and organized in one convenient, space-saving unit. This grain storage container dispenser offers a practical and efficient way to store and dispense grains like rice, beans, and other small grains. With a 22-pound capacity, this rotating dispenser features a 360-degree rotating mechanism for easy access to your stored food. The one-click output system ensures smooth and controlled dispensing, making it convenient to measure out grains for cooking. Ideal for kitchens looking to keep pantry items organized and easily accessible, this storage solution helps maintain freshness while saving space. Next up, we have this fruit slicer, which is a heavy-duty stainless steel manual slicer designed for both home and commercial use. With adjustable thickness settings ranging from 0 to 0.5 inches, it allows for precise slicing of vegetables, fruits, potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and cabbage. The 6 suction cups ensure a stable and secure grip on your countertop during use, preventing slipping for added safety and ease. Perfect for restaurants or home kitchens. The next item in our list is a travel toothbrush case, a practical and durable solution for keeping your toothbrush clean and protected while on the go. Perfect for travel, camping, school, or business trips. This set of 2 cases ensures that your toothbrush stays hygienic and safe from dirt and damage. Designed with convenience in mind, the compact case fits most standard toothbrushes and easily slips into your bag or suitcase. Next, this toothbrush sanitizer is a compact and effective solution for maintaining a hygienic toothbrush. Equipped with UV light technology, it sanitizes your toothbrush by eliminating bacteria and germs, ensuring a clean brushing experience. The built-in fan drying feature helps dry your toothbrush quickly, keeping it fresh and ready for use. This rechargeable portable cleaner case fits most electric and manual toothbrush, making it a versatile choice for home use or travel. The jar opener is an automatic, hands-free solution for effortlessly opening jars of all sizes. Featuring improved torque, this deluxe model ensures a firm grip and quick, smooth jar opening without straining your hands. Ideal for anyone with limited hand strength, it works on a variety of jar sizes and is designed for ease of use. Powered by electricity, it takes the effort out of opening tightly sealed jars, making it a convenient and practical kitchen gadget for every home. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a versatile and portable solution for those on the go. Designed with a number pad, it allows for efficient typing and seamless navigation across multiple devices, including iPad, iPhone, Android phones, Windows laptops, desktops, and tablets. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, while the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use without the need for frequent charging. Ideal for users who need a compact, multi-device keyboard. This stainless steel sink drain strainer is a highly functional and upgraded solution for keeping your kitchen sink clean and organized. Made from durable stainless steel, it efficiently filters food waste and debris, preventing clogs in your drain. This multifunctional hanging strainer can be used as both a drain basket and a colander, making it perfect for cleaning vegetables, fruits, or rinsing items. Its sleek design and versatile functionality help streamline kitchen tasks while promoting a tidy, efficient workspace. The TACGEA Chip Clips set is a must-have for keeping your food fresh and organized. This 8-pack includes both large and small clips, designed with a wide opening for easy sealing of bags. The upgraded airtight seal grip ensures your food stays fresh by preventing air from entering, making it perfect for snacks, chips, cereals, and other food storage needs. Whether you're at home or on the go, these clips provide a reliable way to keep your food secure and preserved. This mop and bucket combo offer a complete cleaning solution for both floors and walls. The flat mop system features an easy-to-use wringer that helps efficiently removing excess water, making cleaning more effective and less messy. The set comes with 3 reusable microfiber mop pads, perfect for tackling dirt and stains. Designed for durability and convenience, it's ideal for home use, ensuring a spotless clean without the hassle of multiple cleaning tools. Next up, this touchless kitchen faucet offers a modern and sleek solution for your kitchen with its motion sensor technology. Designed for ease and convenience, this smart faucet allows hands-free operation, reducing the need for manual adjustments while cooking or cleaning. The pull-down sprayer provides versatility for rinsing dishes or vegetables, while the commercial-grade build ensures durability. This kitchen knife sharpener is a versatile tool designed to keep your knives and scissors in top condition. With a 3-stage sharpening system, it can repair, restore, and refine both straight and serrated blades. Whether you need to sharpen your kitchen knives, pocket knives, or scissors, this compact sharpener ensures precision and efficiency. Its portable design makes it easy to use at home or on the go, providing a quick solution for maintaining sharp, effective cutting tools. The 5-wheel dough cutter set is a versatile baking tool designed for precise and efficient pastry cutting. With multiple wheels for slicing spaghetti, noodles, or pizza, it offers a variety of cutting options for different dough-based recipes. The adjustable feature allows you to customize the width of each slice, ensuring consistency and control. Equipped with a sturdy handle for comfort and ease of use, this cutter set is perfect for home bakers and pizza lovers. This Ionic hairdryer is a professional-grade blow dryer designed for fast and efficient drying with minimal noise. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers high-speed airflow for quick drying while reducing heat damage. The smooth nozzle ensures an even distribution of air for a sleek finish, and the thermocontrol technology helps maintain the ideal temperature for healthy, shiny hair. Lightweight and easy to handle, this dryer provides a comfortable user experience. This Buddha board art set is a unique and calming tool for mindfulness and meditation. This inkless drawing board allows you to create beautiful artwork using only water and a bamboo brush, offering a peaceful, therapeutic experience. As the water evaporates, your artwork fades, providing a temporary, stress-relieving way to express creativity without the pressure of permanence. The set includes a bamboo brush and a stand, making it an ideal relaxation gift for both men and women. The automatic mouthwash dispenser is a convenient and hygienic addition to any bathroom. This wall-mounted dispenser features magnetic cups that securely hold the right amount of mouthwash for each use. Its automatic dispensing function ensures precise, mess-free application with just a press of the button. Suitable for all age groups, this dispenser helps encourage regular oral care while keeping your bathroom tidy. With its sleek design and easy installation, it's a practical and modern solution for any home. And lastly, this lightweight neck reading light is the perfect solution for hands-free reading or crafting. Designed with 3 color settings and 9 brightness levels, it provides customizable lighting for any activity, whether you're reading in bed, knitting, crocheting, or sewing. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use, and the lightweight, ergonomic design fits comfortably around your neck for easy, hands-free operation. That's it for today's roundup of must-have Amazon household gadgets. I hope you found some new products to make your home more efficient and relaxing. Don't forget to check the description down below for all the links to the products featured in this video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gadget reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos.